William, can you tell me the title of our 10-1 notes?
10-1 area.
And Elsa, can you tell me the I can statement?
I can find area
And Josie, can you identify or can you define perimeter? The distance around the edge of a figure. Anna, what is area? And what do the dimensions, or what are the dimensions of a shape? What are they, Annika?
the measurements that we
Everybody tell me what is true of the side that I just circled and the side that I just circled. Everybody.
They're equal.
They are the same length, they are congruent because of our congruence markers, correct?
Yep.
Okay. And could everybody tell me the dimensions? Could everybody tell me the dimensions of this particular shape? Go.
4, 3, 4, 4.
The dimensions would be 4 by 3 since it is a rectangle, or 3 by 4. Does this shape look like a square?
Yes.
Is it a square?
No.
Do you go by looks or do you go by actual dimensions?
Actual dimensions.
Beautiful. And then the last vocab word, or the last 2 vocab words, or the last 3 vocab words, would be formula, square, and rectangle. Formula would be what you use to solve problems, or a way to solve problems. Square and rectangle, we'll let you do those on your own because I think you're pretty good. Super important, these should be review formulas for the area of a rectangle, length times width, base times height. They mean the same thing. And the perimeter would be 2 lengths of a rectangle added to the 2 widths of a rectangle, or 2 times length plus 2 times W. Right, Annika?
Yes.
Right on. What is the label for area? Somebody tell me the label for area. Assuming I did not give you any measurements. Anna. Units squared. Somebody give me the label for perimeter, assuming I don't give you any measurements. Josh. Units. Labels, very important when it comes to perimeter and area. A couple practices here on 4 on calculating area and perimeter. All you need in a shape like a square is one side, and all your congruence markers tell you it's a square because they're all the same. One formula we didn't talk about but we calculated would be the area of a triangle. 2 ways of writing an area of a triangle. Again, these should be reviews. 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Base times height also mean what times what, you guys go? Length times width. There is no difference between the 2 of them. Make sure you're looking at the practices. This one was kind of fun. We gave you the area of a shape, so we gave you the area of this square. We know it's a square because of the congruence marks. We said it was 64 meters squared. And since you know that base times height, length times width is how you calculate area, you could just x times x equals 64 and calculate what x is. And we did that in your notes. Same thing here for the rectangle. We gave you perimeter, we gave you the base, you had to calculate the area and the height. Look through your notes, practice those, use your formulas, you're good to go. Anything else you want to talk about before I stop?